Hello everyone, welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Dance Engineering. My name remains Iverson Mas, and in today's video we are going to do a recap of that's how to dance legwork part 1. Today's video is the part 2 of how to dance legwork. So I encourage you to stay tuned, and if you have not watched the first video on how to dance legwork, kindly check the link down below in the description and get it watched. Without wasting time, guys, let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to begin this move by trying to jump whilst raising our leg to the opposite side, like that. So that's what you can use to start. Just assume such dance position. Then now you try to lean forward a bit, like that. You have to arc forward a bit, just a bit, not too much, but just a bit, with your heels a little inch above the ground, like that. As you can see, my heel is not touching the ground or the floor. So we go like that. Then we try to use our right arm to touch our left foot, like that. Then we do the same for the left, like that. So like this, like that, like this, like that. Just try to assume touching your foot with your opposite arm. Like if I'm to move my left foot, I'm gonna touch it with my right arm. Understand? So guys, let's get fast into this. Like that, like this, like that, like this. So as you arc forward a bit and raise your heels a few inches above the ground, you try to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try and do that without using our arms to touch our foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, let's try this with music so you get a better understanding of how this is done. Then when you get it right, we move on to variations. Okay guys, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, so that was it for dancing the second method of legwork. So with the two moves being taught effectively, I want us to try the variations. So with the leg work like this, you can turn sideways and roll your arms like that as you are doing it. You understand? You roll your arms like that. That's a variation for it. Also, you can decide to move sideways like I taught earlier on. As you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you move 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then you move like that. That's also another way of creating a variation with it. Then with the second one, which is like this, there's a simple way of doing it, such that instead of doing the move forward or in front of you like that, as you are going to place them backwards. So instead of this, you are going to do like that. You understand? Instead of this, you are going to do that. So others call it the reverse of the leg work. Instead of 1, 2, 3, I'm going to do it 1, 2, 3. That's also a nice way of, getting a wow from your audience. So as you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As you go forward thrice, you do the same thing backwards thrice. That's after you have rehearsed the move and got very comfortable doing it in front. Let me do this backwards to enhance your understanding. Carefully observe this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you see, it looks like forward as normal as it is. I'm turning backwards again, guys. That's it for sideways. Now to this direction. Now backwards. Alright guys, so that was it for legwork variations. So let's try the variations with music. Again. Again. Ah. Ah. Backwards. Again. Okay. Ah. Hope you are seeing it, guys. Alright guys, so that was it for part 2 of how to dance legwork. I encourage you to rehearse this dance step at home, and if there was any part of the dance step or the dance tutorial which you didn't get right, kindly drop comments down below in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, give me a like on this video, and I'm going to see you in my next dance tutorial video on how to dance basic Afrodance steps. Stay blessed.